We thank you. We just want to bless your name. Thank you for having us gather in this fashion tonight in the name of Jesus. I pray for each and every item, oh God. Bless those who are going to be winners and those who are not going to win in the name of Jesus. And I pray that this becomes an annual event in Jesus' mighty name. Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Thank you very much. A bigger round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the energy up in this room. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to start the show? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to start the show? Here to give us the first song this evening, titled Do It. Please welcome Mvelo Semusa and Zwile Soul.
Hi, how are you?
Kill it, guys. Kill it.
Fight, fight. Ngicela zi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Social Media Awards 2020. Please remember, we are still in the middle of a pandemic. Please remember to take all COVID-19 precautions by social distancing and sanitizing as frequently as possible. There is a gentleman walking around the room with sanitizer as we speak to keep us all safe. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to take this opportunity to welcome your hosts for this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ain't following her, I don't know who you're following. Please welcome your girl Z and one of the finest comedians, Dosh.
Prema. Oh, soyicishela limfowethu.
Good evening, Sanibonani. Welcome to the SMAs. Hello, is everybody here? Sanibonani? Oh, okay, now I'm feeling you. I go by the name your girl Z. I am your host with the most. Welcome to the first ever Social Media Awards Eswatini 2020. Thank you for joining us, and I'm not alone, I'm with my host.
Ngibingelele maswati lamahle awunaze nababahle ngemistake. Awutshela makhelwane ukuthi makhelwane umuhle.
A mistake.
So I know we're speaking Seswati, so we know that we're a multilingual country, right? And we have to, integrate every other individual, right? So we were saying the drinks are on you tonight. Is it okay? Everyone is happy, right? I need to jump in. You see? Are you okay with that? Black card? There we go. Drinks on him. Ngibingelele maswati lamahle ngihamba ngeligama labathi ngingidoshe wengoni ngiyajabula ukuthi sikhona sawubanani namhla kulobusuku kanjena. We know, ladies and gentlemen, you could have been anywhere in the world tonight, but you decided to be with us. So good evening. Aren't you so gorgeous? Awubafu socela inombolo eliso. Nabangala nyalo busuku bakho bubonakala. Social media awards. But thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We do have to appreciate Swazi Boy Entertainment for giving us such a wonderful platform. And some of the things that have been happening on social media, the influential part, positively, of course. If you take note, you will notice that social media, negative. Positive. We came up with a campaign spearheaded by our wonderful Ila Pen Boy, whereby we were donating bread. And we did not only donate bread, but we made sure that people had sustainable houses, and we had our families living in very good conditioned homes, right? Yeah, and if you've been following also, we also had whereby they were donating or are still donating clothes to various homesteads in the Kingdom of Eswatini, right? That's still social media. And just to show how much influence it has had, if you've tapped into Twitter, there's people that go on Twitter, but figure about noma 20 rand with my units, sekana 1,000 with my units. That's still the power of social media. And Standard Bank, of course, couldn't stay behind, but by joining a party. And we just had a brand new campaign. Social brand ambassadors.
Yes.
But introduce social media and a positive influence So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And that is the importance and power of social media.
Thank you very much for joining us once again. We are in the digital era, whereby everything is on social media. So I hope everybody has their phone ready because we've been painted red, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys can see over there. There's a little something. You can win a car, but the T's and C's do apply with Eswatini Mobile. Thank you to our red team for joining us this evening. On that note, yes. Of course, the social media awards are presented to you by Swazi Boy Entertainment, and I am, of course, the voice of Swazi Boy Entertainment. So we'd like to welcome you all on behalf of my team, my family, and just to echo on what my co-host has said, everything is digital.
No.
So we have introduced our YouTube channel, whereby we are spearheading and enforcing what we call loyal to local, whereby our social media influencers, our artists, DJs, and beyond that are celebrated. Hence, this evening is all about. So welcome, and please be with us. It will be a very short program. We are against time. We apologize for that. But the show must go on.
1, 2. Was I audible in the first mic? At the back. Can you hear me, guys? Barely. Okay? Is it okay? Which one is okay? This one or this one?
This one.
That one? Hoi, backseat. Ngiyaqala be backseat ikhuluma ifike answer. Thank you so much, guys. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, presenting the first award of the night is none other than Style Icon, CEO, award-winning CEO, fashion guru, motivational speaker. She can be anything that she wants to be, any day, anytime. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the wonderful and gorgeous Miss Qiniwe Fagutse.
She's not alone. Okay, hold that thought. Ladies, I am presenting a very close brother of mine, DJ Wicked. You know him? Alan Roger Stewart. Well, DJ Wicked is known as, of course, the Champagne Papi. He is a legendary spinner and a video vixen. I'm sure you've seen him from DJ's most recent video, Emadelweni. He is, of course, a brand that you must associate yourself with. Please help us welcome the first presenters for the evening.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Ababahle bantu ngemistake.
Wow. Good evening, everybody. You're looking exceptionally beautiful tonight, my baby.
Oh, that's for me.
That's for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm your baby.
You are now.
Okay, don't say things on stage you will change after we leave, okay? Okay? There's thousands of witnesses here. You called me
Deal, girl.
baby.
Baby girl.
Okay, this is going home with us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to be part of the presenters tonight, and ours is to take you through the first 5 categories of winners. Of course, we congratulate all of them for the nominations. And the first one that we will start with my, so I call you Bay as well.
Call me baby.
Bebe.
Baby.
Okay, the first one, you see, he's telling his age. The younger ones don't say baby. It's Bay.
Hey, I'm only like 25.
Okay, Bay.
Okay.
Okay. Me and this 25-year-old will start you out. The first category is the Facebook page and group of the year.
And the winner of this category is Crown of Natural.
Woo! Thank you, DJ. Okay, we're the first presenters, so we can create our own rules. If you're not here to take your award, we give the next one. Okay, congratulations, Crown of a Natural, a local company that does jewelry. Congratulations to them. Please put your hands together for them once again.
So yeah, I think we're going to keep it moving now. Hopefully the next the next winner has a
Okay,
representative.
where's your phone?
Sorry, I'm using yours, baby. We share
this
phones
guy.
now. Yeah. The next category is for true winners of society, people that are giving back. COVID's been a particularly hard year for all of us, but you still find people that are willing to go out and give back to society, philanthropists, and yeah, this is a big one.
So when you read, you do this. What's that? Age. What's this? Ay. Please give us the nominees for Philanthropist of the Year.
Philanthropist of the Year.
Yeah, ngathi kutaba nice la mcimbini yabona. Yes. And the winner is Anele Shabangu. Thank you. Aha. Nene. By the time we're done, you'll agree with me that if you're not here, you don't get it. People are not coming for their awards. You shall see. Let's try the next one. Oh, wow. Best online news outlet.
And the winner is High Press.
Best online news outlet.
Please, can somebody come up?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm waiting for the Qiniwe. You were right. Yep.
Yeah, we
Second to last one we are going to be presenting is the best sports person of the year across all sporting codes in the kingdom. The most popular sports personality is Felix Badenhost. Okay.
Good evening, guys. Unfortunately, Felix is not around.
Please come to the shorter one.
Thank you. Good evening, guys. Unfortunately, Felix is not around, but he said I should say thank you to everyone who voted for him. Most importantly, he'd like to thank his family for the support and everyone who gives him the courage to continue doing what he loves the most. Good evening.
Hi. Yeah. Uyazi if uzothatha i-award yomunye umntwana uqala usitshela ukuthi wena ubani ngoba nje sithi uFelix Badenhost ukusukuma usizi sonke sithi hawu usuthethwe ha moving along this thing that happened here broke so many hearts. This one is yours, Papa.
Okay, most interactive corporate on social media.
Sponsor, I'm rooting for you. This one is.
And the winner is...
Aye. They got that one right.
Standard Bank.
Okay. Finally, someone that's shorter than me. Let's do this for you, girl.
Okay. All right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Damaswati from Standard Bank Eswatini. Thank you to everyone who voted for us. It truly can be, and we are looking forward to interacting with you on our pages. Our official pages is Facebook and Twitter. We look forward to having you every day and every night. Thank you.
And night.
All right, basically I think that's us.
Thank you, Bay. Let's go home.
We're going to the after party.
Aye, ngimtsala for leyo. Mina nga-10 ngiyalala. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Do enjoy the rest of the show.
A big round of applause for our presenters, Diniwe Fagute and DJ Wicked. Ladies and gentlemen, please buckle up and welcome our next performer, Vuta Inhlitiyo.
Ikukula emva nasihlala sihleka kunenjabulo ikhumbula emva nasihlala sihleka kunenjabulo ikhumbula emva nasihlala sihleka kunenjabulo mangibuka lindzawo emesegcwala tinyembe ikhumbula siye emfuleni sihamba sibamba sibuka nemehlweni kune uthando lokho umhlaba awunamahlo umhlaba awunamahlo umhlaba awunamahlo umhlaba awunamahlo Masitolope, sihamba sibambana, sibuka nemehlweni. Oh, masitolope, sihamba sibambana, ubuka umhlaba, bangoma abantu, muthando. I'm hauna maso. Umsawa hauna maso. Umsawa hauna maso. Umsawa hauna maso. Umsawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, to present Most Vibrant Tertiary, Best Fine Artist, Best Blogger, Best Online Comedy Series, and Best Graphic Designer, please welcome none other than the Smash or Pass lady, La Lulu.
Now I need you, baby. This distance is driving me crazy. So it's besides you, best friends and lovers. Baby, I miss you. The way that you touch
Good
me.
evening, SMAs. How are you guys doing? I'm good, thank you. Do I look smashable, guys? Would you? Are y'all having a great time? And y'all look dazzling, I must say. So, the first award I'll be presenting is Most Vibrant Tertiary, and the nominees are
Nominees for Most Vibrant Tertiary.
Are you guys ready? And the winner is Uneswa Kwaduseni Campus.
Angas mina ngizoyithini le ndaba. Angas mina ngizoyithini le ndaba.
Well, I guess there's no one accepting this award. The Best Fine Art Artist Award goes to Lwazi Taylor.
Sanibonani. Igama lami ngiLwazi Thena. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthola le award le. Kusho lokukhulu kimi. Ngibonga kakhulu ku Social Media Awards. Ngibonga kakhulu.
Breaking news.
The Blessed Blogger of the Year Award, and the nominees are
Best Blogger, the nominee.
The best blogger of the year goes to Ndungwe.
Gele ke thata o di malefatshe o tsebe ba sa tlo lemala ke batla zaga looking for money I got a move for go bapala tsebe ke plaka bile ke nkane a ke tloana ke gagana batho ba Gauteng dumela.
I guess Ndungwe is not here for his award. And the last award I'll be presenting tonight is the best online comedy series. And the nominees are and the winner is Auntie Nompumelelo by
So, wait, guys, can I go? Upi owethu. So, thank you so much. I'd like to thank God first, who I put, ahead of me in everything. Ngiphinze nginibonge kwananani kungivotela, watching those skits, those videos, those small sketches and sharing them, liking them, subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry guys, I lied. I thought that was the last award I was presenting. But the last award is Best Graphics Designer of the Year, and the nominees are the Best Graphics Designer of the Year is Pindo Uhle Nhlabati.
Sanbonan. I'm not anything but thank you so much for voting, guys. Achievement lengul lena. Kalagbong family, ngibonge bangana ubonge labang votele. Thank you so much.
Can we get one big round of applause for all the winners? Congratulations. Round about now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the ones I know you like, because I like them. One of the shows from Swazi Boy TV. Please welcome the hosts of TikTok Eswatini, Dr. Shakes and Umta.
Hello, wena? Wena, sanibonani malangeni? Ninjani? Siafile, oh my gosh, guys, we miss you so much. Do you want to do it for them one more time?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the Swazi Boy Entertainment YouTube channel. My name is Mtanaza Mkwanazi.
And I'm Dr. Shakes.
And you are watching
TikTok
Eswatini
Eswatini on Swazi Boy TV. I miss that.
I really do as well. I always tell people how Shakes and I are a product of 2020 and coronavirus. Like imagine them having a baby.
Rephrase. I'm not a product of COVID. I'm not a product of...
We were
I was
born.
there.
No, we were born this year.
You were born this year. I was already there. Dr. Shakes was already there.
I don't know what to say
But
anymore.
if it wasn't for COVID-19, we wouldn't be here. Shout out to COVID. I hear you, COVID.
We're so excited to see you guys today. What happened this year? Give them a rundown.
A lot happened. They called us Emabrumi, Bola Hluhlu. Some people were vetting my boobs a mistake. Like a lot happened this year. So if it wasn't for COVID-19, we wouldn't be celebrating our stars.
I really don't think so as well. It's
Yeah.
I'm so proud of everyone who's created their brand this year and expanded and became big. People
Yeah, shout
have
out to
actually
everyone.
become big.
To all the nominees, Labanege Bawine, I see you guys here looking deeper. To the nominees, if you don't walk away with an award, make sure that you walk away with someone.
That is true. Please. Already, Nyalo, I hope
Please.
y'all are looking.
Mina sengimbonile ngadliwa khona lengimbonile ukuthi ngihlombele
Oh,
ekhaleni.
I mean, no, okay.
Nah.
Anyway, can we introduce the next act?
Yeah. This is an award-winning and the best
Okay.
sax
For yours, Cirques?
saxophonist,
Okay.
best saxophonist Zwile featuring Hlangu.
Yes.
What's the
Harder
song?
than hard.
Harder than harder. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Zwile and Hlangu.
As they prepare for the performance, allow me to acknowledge our sponsors once again. A very, very big thank you to Eswatini Mobile, Perfect Choice, Fuel X, Chill and Grill, Eswatini Arts and Culture, Destiny Group, Sellers, Beach SD, Fingers, Barbershop, Millennium Trends, and Mama Gatesa. Ladies and gentlemen, on stage now, about to give us a world-class performance. Please welcome. Are you guys ready? Are you sure? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sihlangu and Zwile Soul performing Harder Than Hard.
has been hurting. With the things I can't help but worry. But I know it gets better. Yes, I know it gets better. Oh, no, it gets harder than hard, harder than hard, harder than hard. No, it gets harder than hard, harder than hard, harder than hard. With the things with the things it's way too much pressure. Looking in the eye of trouble, in the age of worry, during these strange times, I believe that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, washed up on the seashore. It on the slime road, you start to fly high, oh high, and you'll be sure it gets better. Yes, you'll be sure it gets better. Oh,
Sihlangu and Zwile Soul, ladies and gentlemen, to present the awards for Best TV Personality, Poet of the Year, Best YouTube Channel, Best Online Portfolio for Photography, and Model of the Year. Please welcome Sasha Thorne and Tulani Mtetwa.
Wow. Sanbonan Maswat Lamash.
Good evening, everybody. You look wonderful tonight.
What an amazing night. Let me use the privilege of portfolio and just say you look amazing.
Oh, and Shafis. You don't look too shabby yourself.
Thank you so
Tulani.
much. Now let's get down to business, ladies and gentlemen. The first award that we're going to present, first category, TV Personality of the Year. Let's have it for the nominees.
Nominees for Best TV Personality are
And the winner is
Tara Mo Gunene.
keep it for him. Congratulations to Stera.
For this next category is for the expressionist. It's for Poet of the Year. Let's have it for our nominees.
The nominees for Poet of the Year are
Most popular poet award goes to Mo Katz.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I can't even feel my heart. I don't know where to start, but I want to thank God. He needs an award, Mbamba. A whole me, an award. Thank you so much. Thank you for voting. Thank you for sharing my poetry. Thank you guys, Ngosiam. The wonderful messages that you share with me, you know, the impact that my poetry does to you, I truly appreciate every single one of you. It's time to dance to poetry, baby. Thank you.
I was hoping for some few lines.
Yeah, me
before her
too.
speech.
That would have been appropriate.
Yeah,
Maybe
she-
later.
Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Right. For the next category, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is the YouTube channel of the year.
Ooh, I'm excited.
the nominees for Best YouTube Channel are
Best YouTube channel goes to Mbali Ngumalo.
Sanibonani. My name is Nogutula Dlamini. I'm here to take on behalf of Mbali. She couldn't come here. Uthi tengimbongele kakhulu Shem for supporting her and for voting for her. Thank you so much.
Wow, congratulations, Mbali. You look stunning tonight. It's so
Yeah.
exciting to see a lot of Swati YouTubers making their mark online.
Absolutely. She's really done well. Congratulations once again, Mbali. Now, the next category, Best Line Portfolio Photography. Let's have it for the nominees.
The nominees for Best Online Photography Portfolio are
The Best Online Photography Portfolio Award goes to Felix Finest Visuals.
Stamniga begnene stambegel.
In absentia. I'm really excited for this one. It takes me back to my youth when I was still young. Next category is the Best Model Award.
the nominees for Best Model.
The most popular model award goes to Mhlonishwa Shiva.
Get away, get away, get away. That's all I wanna do. Little get away with you, oh baby. Yeah.
Sanbanan, Ninjan. Thank you very much. So like me going to hug my mother, it's like she's been there for me through thick and thin. She's been supporting me. The plane tickets, the traveling allowances, I owe her this award. Ngiyakuthandza kakhulu mnguni waseKudu. With love. And thank you very much to everyone who's voted. Lots of love. Thank you.
Congratulations to all our winners. Ladies and gentlemen, round about now, a special moment. Please welcome one of the finest singers in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, Msimisi.
Evening, guys.
1, 2.
My name is Msimisi. Thank you so much for having me, SMAs. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this performance dedicated to all the ladies that are looking beautiful in this audience. All right.
ngiyadifela ngeluthando lwakho ngiyaphelela ngeluthando lwakho oh ngiyadifela ngeluthando lwakho ngiyaphelela ngeluthando lwakho mina ngihlala ngijicenya ngawe impilo yami yaphelela malinawo ubuhle bakho wabuthola libe lonke esiveni sonke ngikubona ngiyokonke yeah mina ngihlala ngibabata buhle bakho wena wedwa simathatha noma sekusinyukela mina lokhu kungakufela sithambaze oh ngiyadifela ngeluthando lwakho mina ngiyaphelela ngiyadifela 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 sekukaningi bangibuda nginzethi kwaloko bangikuda bathi konke kuphelele kushoda ngidimisele ngibone bakini baphelele Promise God that I give you all my soul. With all of heaven watching, promise God I give it all. Oh, ngiyadifela ngeluthando lwakho mina ngiyaphelela ngiyadifela 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 mina ngiyaphelela Don't get insuku down. I'll spend them loving you. I'll spend them loving you. Yeah. You make it easy to love. I'm fully loving kuna wena. Oh ngiyadifela ngeluthando lwakho. Mina ngiyaphelela ngiyaphelela ngeluthando lwakho mina ngiyadifela 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 ngiyaphelela ngeluthando lwakho
Thank you very much.
Can we get a bigger round of applause from Simisi, ladies and gents? To present the awards for Best TikToker, Best YouTuber, Best Meme Maker, Best Vlog, and Entertainment Journalist of the Year. Please welcome Kingdom XLR's Seedling Dlamini and Eswatini TV's Lunga Matwele.
Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Thank you, thank you. By the way, you are looking amazing. Thank you. All right, I know it was said that I'm supposed to be with Seedling, but unfortunately she couldn't be here, but she did send a message so that I can tell you guys what she said. She said, Lunga, I think you are sexy. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Yes, she said I should tell you that it is so unfortunate that she couldn't be here, but she is hoping that this is going to be an incredible occasion, and I'm sure that everybody is looking incredibly beautiful, like I just said. So you look beautiful. Okay, now, let's get on to it. I'm here to present, first of all, the first award, which is the best TikToker in the country. So here are your nominees.
The nominees for Best TikToker.
Wow, this is heavy. Okay, and your winner for Best TikToker is Kutele.
Sanunani, thank you so much for the award. I'd like to say thank you kuwo wonke umuntu longivotele. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
All right, let's get the show rolling. All right, now, we are going to go into the best YouTuber in the country. And we have seen a sudden incline in YouTubers in the country, so obviously it's going to be one that's going to be the best, which doesn't mean that you're not the best. Everybody's the best, but the award has to go to someone. So here are your nominees for Best YouTuber.
The nominees for Best YouTuber.
And the best YouTuber goes to, wow, the Francis Christ. Did I say it right? I said it right.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much for voting for me. I thank God and everyone who voted. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am pretty sure that you're getting bored seeing me up here, so I'm just gonna keep it moving. Okay, so now what we're gonna go through, we're gonna go to the best meme maker, and I thought it would be wise if I told everybody that it is not a meme, it is a meme. So please jot that down, okay? We got that? Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the best meme maker, and here are your nominees.
The nominees for Best Meme Maker.
And your meme maker of the year goes to the tall guy, Dr. Shakes.
Wow.
I think ilangetulu ne caption. Bonga kwami, guys. Thank you so much for voting. Thank you so much. Here's a meme. Pinza Foods will get a meme. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you so much for voting. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
All right, we're going to the next one. So now we are going to be finding out the nominees for the best vlog, and then you'll see who the winner is. So these are your nominees for your best vlog.
Nominees for most popular entertainment journalist.
So now we will be getting the winner for Entertainment Journalist of the Year, which is coming. All right, don't worry, it's still coming. I know that everybody is eagerly anticipating to find out who the winner is. I am too. Once upon a time, I think I was also nominated, which shows that you guys don't even like me. I mean, like, why am I not even in the top 5? I mean, come on, guys. But we will be getting the winner shortly, so don't worry about it. So we'll find the winner right about now. All right, your most popular entertainment journalist, how? This is yours, Nogwanda Sbanze.
Thank you guys for voting for me. I'm not used to this. I'm used to being the one, taking pictures. But thank you for everyone that voted for me. Literally, without all of you here, we have no job. So thank you to you guys. This one is for you. Thank you.
Okay, we're almost done. Now we will go to the best vlog. So now, these are your nominees for your best vlog.
Nominees for best vlog.
All right, thank you, Terry. So your best vlog and social media awards goes to none other than Belinda Chester.
Sanmanani, I am literally shocked because everyone in this category deserved this award. So thank you so much to everyone who voted for me.
All right, thank you very much for your time, and thank you, Terry, for being patient with me. Have a good night.
Big round of applause for Lunga Makwele, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome back on stage your hosts for this evening, your girl Z and Dosh.
You guys so amazing, or aren't you guys so amazing, eh? Ho. Ne right, Ngalab? Ne right. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, ngiyanibona ukuthi nikhali. Are you guys still having fun? Are you guys still having fun? Are you satisfied with the winners? Kinda. But did you vote? You did. Screenshots. Screenshot. If you're satisfied and you want the person that you wanted to win, show me a screenshot. If no screenshot, guys. Anyways, without further ado, I'd really like to welcome a support. May I please introduce the chairman of the Portfolio Committee, Sports, Youth and Culture, the Honorable MP Gauzela. Hawumnetfu, awukahuli namhla. Oh bafu, mina ngithi sidabe sishaya lezethu. Umnguni wasebuhleni. Ufuna lo mkhono loyo. Bese ubuyisa linyawo. Ubuyisele linye.